The State Security Committee established a stable corruption scheme under the leadership of the first Deputy Chairman of the State Penitentiary Service, Nuraliev, expressed in the systematic receipt of funds for early release, mitigation of the conditions of stay of convicts, as well as concealment of illegal actions of the middle management of the department. This was reported in the State Security Committee. As part of the pre-trial proceedings, urgent search measures were carried out on the eve, during which funds in the amount of $3,500, 59,000 Kyrgyz soms, cell phones, and a cartridge from a small caliber weapons were seized. Firearms were found and seized at the place of actual residence, as well as various items in the form of backgammon, chests, knives, swords, tables, chairs made by convicts in correctional institutions. According to the results of the investigative and operational measures carried out, Nuraliev was placed in the pre-trial center of the State Security Committee.